I now want to address one component of third declension nouns that can at first be very confusing. Third declension nouns modified by adjectives. Now, the adjectives you've learned so far are words like bonus, bona, bonum, which means good. Magnus, magnus, magna, magnum, which means great or big. Awarus, you know, awarus, awara, awarum, which means greedy. Okay? Let's put one of these words into all of its forms. Bonus, bona, bonum. This is masculine, of course, feminine, and neuter. Bonus, boni, bono, bonum, bono. Nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, absolute, ablative. Boni, bonorum, bonis, bonos, bonis. Feminine, bona, boni, boni, bonum, bona, boni, bonarum, bonis, bonas, bonis. I'm taking the time to write all these out because I want to demonstrate, I want to model, I want to emphasize that it is important for you to be able to write all these out. I always write things out because I think it's important to demonstrate to you to write them out, and you can follow along with me. So let's get the last one. Bonum, bonum, boni, bono, bonum, bono, bona, this is the neuter plural, bonorum, bonis, bona, bonis. These are all the forms of the word bonus. Bonus, bona, bonum. And let's use it in a sentence. I see, video, a good, a bonum, I see the good, no, we'll say bonum, I see a good gate. Whatever a good gate means. I see a good, let's use masculine. I see a good bonum, I see a good friend. That's fine, amicum. I see a good, I'm really struggling here. We'll just deal with these two. I see a good gate, I see a good friend. It doesn't matter what what the noun is. Portam, bonum, great. It looks just the same. But if I replace portam with I see good virtue, again, whatever that means, I don't know, we're to tem, okay? Or I see a good king, regem. Notice that I do not change the adjective bonum to match. Why? Because right here, these are the only endings that bonus aum will ever have. It doesn't matter if it is modifying a third declension noun. Bonus, bona, bonum is an adjective of the first and second declension only. And it's been convenient up until now because it looks just like the word you're modifying. Bonam portam, bonam puellam, the good girl, bona puella. It made sense. Now we've added a twist. Despite the fact that looking the same was nice, we're worried grammatically about it. In other words, if bonam portam is accusative, singular feminine, accusative, singular feminine, and word tutem is accusative, singular feminine, that's all we need. In other words, the accusative, singular feminine ending for bonus is bonam. Period. It doesn't matter what word I'm modifying. I am looking for, right here, look where I'm going. I am looking for, in this case, the feminine ending for bona, and I'm going down to the accusative, singular feminine ending for bona, and it's bonam. I don't care what the word I'm modifying looks like. Where tutem doesn't look like portam. We're not interested in how it looks. We're interested in the grammatical structure, if you will, the grammatical analysis of the noun we're modifying. It was great beforehand when it matched. It doesn't match now. So, let me emphasize, okay? These are the only endings. These are the only endings there are for third, scratch that, first and second. Let me bring some consistency to that. For first and second declension adjectives. Period. That's it. That's it. All of the adjectives you've learned so far, in other words, all the US, A, UM endings are always, these are the only endings they're going to have. Can I make that any more clear? Is there any confusion anywhere out there? But, there's no buts. Now, with that said, there are going to be some third declension in adjectives. No, let's not go there. Shh. Just pass over that for now, okay? Remember, these are the only endings for the adjectives that you've learned so far. You will learn other adjectives that will have these third declension endings, but right now, here in Module 7, that's all you got, okay? That's it. That's all I wanted to emphasize. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.